Hi Gerardo and Kenny, this is Brittany. I promise to provide some tips and tricks on how to optimize your website and increase your online presence. Today we're going to be going over three things: content, backlinks, and citations. First, I'm going to go over the content on your page. Right now I'm looking for the number of words that you guys have, as well as any possible keywords. So there's not a whole lot of content, but I would say you guys probably have around 100 or so words in your page, 100 to 200 words. And I did see a good keyword, flooring contractor, in alphabet. And this keyword is service and location specific. You want to have a lot of those throughout your content. So we do suggest 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page of your website, depending on your competition and number of keywords needed. So a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product, and in your content you can place these keywords throughout, and that will tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for, just like the previous example. So I went ahead and I typed into Google another location and service-based keyword, floor contractor, Marietta, Georgia. The first thing that pops up are these Google Guaranteed Local Ads. These have a really great conversion rate of about 40 to 60% of the data we have collected. And below that is something called the Google Map Pack. So 30% of consumers will choose one of these businesses here in the Google Map Pack. And below the Google Map Pack is the organic search results, where 60 to 70% of people will choose one of these businesses on the front page of the organic search. Now I was looking for a local company, and it's really normal for these directories to show up like House, Angie's List, and Yelp. But the first one that comes up, first business, is BCAL Flooring. I went ahead and brought them up here as a comparison. And I was looking at their website, and they do have a little bit of content. They have some more words. I would say they probably have around 300 words or so, roughly. So we went over content. Next, let's go over backlinks. First, I want to show you guys this program we use. This is a page program we use to research websites. So first, I want to go over these two ratings here. We have a DR rating and a UR rating. The DR rating is essentially a power rating that Google gives your website, and the UR rating is a trust rating, and both of these are raised by a backlink. So a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. So it's like a popularity contest. The best and most high quality backlinks are those that are relevant to your industry and the services you provide, as well as those that are from local websites. So you guys have 50 backlinks, and your competitor, BCAL Flooring, has 282. Because they have a higher quantity and also a higher quality of backlinks, they have a higher trust rating, which allows them to rank higher on that organic search result in Google. So the next thing I want to go over are citations, and a citation is anywhere your business name, number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile. These citations help you rank in the map pack I showed you earlier on our search result here. And this is extremely important for local businesses, since ranking here can also bring huge amounts of revenue as well. So citations include directories like Yelp, Angie, Expertise, Better Business Bureau, and there's hundreds of others. But the idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. So the larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. And once Google sees you more often than your competitors, the more likely it is that you can rank above them in the search results and also in the map pack. So looking at our analysis here, you guys have 15 citations, and your competitor, BCAL Flooring, has 96. So I recommend not only matching this amount of citations, but also increasing it, probably to 200 or so. And that way, you guys can also potentially be ranking in the map pack as well. And it'll also strengthen your website. So once your content, backlinks, and citations come together and are optimized, and you start to outgrow your competitors, you'll be able to start getting some organic traffic to your website. People will be looking for your services, and you'll be able to be found easily. Alright, so that about covers it for today. I just wanted to show this to you to provide some valuable educational content on how to strengthen your online presence and optimize your website. Thank you so much for allowing me to serve you. I hope this was helpful. I'd appreciate some feedback. My contact information is below in my email signature. I hope to hear from you guys soon, and have a great day.